Possibly brownish your head. Yes, he has a fever.
Ma, Ilyas, breathe slowly. Kuya, kailan will bring medicine soon?
Mama, I'm so hungry. Do you have the rice now?
My notebook, the rain from the roof, suck them. Kuya, Baba.
Don't cry, Clara. Let's rewrite them on the newspaper with a sharpen.
My God, Santi! What happened to your feet?
We took all the money from the ceiling scrap.
Enough, Santi. I'm sorry, Mama. I don't have enough salary for a gas medicine.
This is all what we have for dinner.
Kaylan, what's wrong with you? You almost broke the parts.
I'm sorry, Mr. Basket. My youngest is sick, and I don't have the money to buy the medicine.
Didn't you tell me sooner? Here, this is an advance on your salary. Bring Santi here tomorrow too.
Oh, really? Thank you so much, Mang Basket.
I need a helper. Instead of wasting his time in the streets, let him work here.
Okay, Mang Basket. I will tell him.
Sala, I saw your homework on yesterday. It's excellent. And you, Mirani, you taught the exam. Thank you, teacher, but I might stop and work full time. You both qualified for the Gawad Pag-asa Scholarship. Your schooling is now free. Ma'am, I can hardly buy a new shoe. Sala, and their sewing machine for your mother from the government. I can finish school. We have hope now.
Mama, I'm now a regular helper in Mambase while studying at Tesla.
Your children are doing well at Arlington Sun. Soon, they'll be running new branch.
Thank you all. Dr. Rinald will still be drowning in passion. You saved yourself out of the list. Your strength opened the door.
Look at my drawing now. I'm using red color, not just dark.
Nice, Jamel. That's amazing.
And I don't walk anymore. I have a bike to deliver goods.
Mama, my class doesn't work anymore. Can I go to school now?
Yes, Elias, we're going to school together every day.
The nights that we cry in the dark are over. We are ready to fly.
Before, welcome to everyone. We're preparing for the student showcase. Tell our family stories to children. The whole school is proud of you. This is the Community Resilience Award for your family.
3, go.
Thank you. We share this with everyone and help us.
Go.
Well, help other families like ours.
Hardworking really is pay off.
I want to help too when I grow up.